Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll be looking at March in D major from the notebook of Anna Magdalena Bach, ANH 122, in this easy piano tutorial with sheet music and note names. I hope you enjoy this Bach Easy Play Piano tutorial. Don't forget to snag your free 100-day practice challenge. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. So if you're ready, let's get started. Congratulations, you've completed this lesson. See you in the next lesson.